Woo! This video is massively overdue, but I wanted to make it anyway. And it is to say we managed to get 10,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited that we've managed to get to 10,000. I never thought we would be able to get to 10,000, so I'm so happy and I'm so grateful and I'm so appreciative of every single person that comments, that likes, that chats to me about cycling, because I absolutely love YouTube. I love making videos. I love talking about bikes and adventures and just sharing everything that I'm doing on the bike with you. So I just want to say thank you for all of the support, really, because it started in 2014, so I've been on like YouTube 4 years now, and it's just the best thing ever. I genuinely really love chatting to you all, and it's just been, it's my main fun thing, one of the main fun things in my life, apart from cycling obviously. I just love sharing it all with you. So as a thank you for all the support and encouragement over the years, I am doing a giveaway. So I've got 3 different prizes to give away. Well, 2 of them are the same, so I've got 3 different potential winners who are gonna receive a gift, cycling related gift, and these are the prizes. So the first one is, you'll have seen me do a review of this before, but Craft Cadence are offering, you can see Craft Cadence, are offering one of you a cycling commuting backpack. I have done a review of this, I'll leave the video below of it, but I really like this bag. It's a really good commuting bag because it's completely waterproof and it's massive, so you can get loads of stuff in it, and I really like it. So Craft Cadence, yes, they're going to be giving one of these bags away. And then the other 2 giveaway items have come from KOM Cycling, who have kindly sent me these. So there's going to be 2 lots of these. So this is a universal phone adapter, and it basically makes any Garmin mount into a phone mount. So as you can see there, I'll show you the video now of how it actually works. So you basically just peel the back off, pop it onto the back of your phone case, and then you just put that onto your Garmin mount, and it's so handy. I was actually thinking when I was on Zwift the other day, I was like, I could really do, because I was trying to prop my phone up on the computer in front, and Jay was laughing because like that phone is going out of the window and it was like really near the open window, and I was like, I could do with like having my phone mounted on my bike. So that is what I will be using it for when I'm on Zwift, to be able to watch YouTube videos, to watch other stuff. And also when I'm out and about, if I'm on like a long ride or something and I need to find somewhere on Google Maps or find something like that, I can use that on my bike for that. And it's also good if you don't have a Garmin already, you can use it for Strava on your phone. You would have to buy a mount though, but they're pretty cheap, so that's that, you just stick that on. Really handy. And then that is sealant injector if you have tubeless tyres. I don't, and if you don't, just give it to somebody that already has them, because we don't want it to go to waste. So to enter the giveaway, you just need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, like the video, and then comment below which are the prizes you would like and a reason for you wanting them. So I just want to say thank you again for all the lovely comments and encouragement and support. I really do appreciate it. So I will see you next video. Oh, and also there will be a lot more videos, a lot more content coming in 2018, so loads of fun ideas, loads of adventures that I am waiting to tell you about, but I will do that in another video. And yeah, thank you again, and I'll see you next video. That's gross, Jay.